Specifically in web design, there's a growth in demand, and that's why there is more and more designers, because more and more people are able to start small businesses or online businesses. They need help with people to do their branding, build their website, do their product. And so there's more demand for web design.
We moved over to designing a website, which was very exciting for me. I really enjoyed it, and I learned how to use different functions.
After finishing high school, I almost wasted like 3 years of my life doing nothing. Joining this computer web design development has also been an inspiration to me, since it is a new adventure to me. So, which is why I'm finding it exciting, and I think now I'm finding it easy to deal with a computer or a laptop because it basically does everything for you. So,
like, I was so excited when we woke up this morning because Bax was saying to us we are going out to clients today to go and look for some clients. So I'm actually very, very excited, But she said to me, after these 6 months, I can design a website for her. She already said to me that, no, when I'm done with this, then I am her first client. She's my first client.
This is actually something very good, because in this day and age that we live in South Africa, looking at the economy, there's a lot of stuff that we can see that I hear it's going to be tough for me to get a job, or it's going to be tough for me to get opportunities. So this opportunity actually allows you to create opportunities for yourself.
For us at TechWays, that joy that you get from the act of creation is what we want to bring to all of our TechWays students. And what is amazing about technology, it's the way of the future. It's already here. This 4-hour train that we keep on hearing is already going. And so we all know how critical technology skills are. But what I love about it is that it allows you to create so many things. Now it's websites, tomorrow it's going to be designing. The sky is endless.